Hey guys, it's Max from the Pop Twins, and today we're going to be doing our part 2 of our mail unboxing. So right here I got one package for you guys. Open this. So I picked up Camp Fun Days Freddy sodas with the Fun Days sticker on them. For this drop, I know the stickers really didn't matter and there was a whole debacle against them, so right now we have the Freddy Funko as Batman rainbow suit. So these are limited 2,700 and there is no chase. So the thing that they started doing was there's only one variant. Here we go. Freddy Funko is rainbow suit Batman. This one looks so beautiful with the colors. So that's that. And this is a Pog. Freddy Funko is Batman rainbow suit, limit 2,700 pieces, and it's the artwork. Next up on the list, we have Proto the dog, limit 1,700 pieces. Once again, there's no chase variant. These ones are hard to open. Slip. Here is Proto the dog. This is actually really tiny. I thought it would have been a little bit bigger, but this is the size difference. So yeah, there's Proto the dog. This is the Pog. Proto the dog, limit 1,700 pieces, and that's the artwork. Next up, we have Dustin as Freddy Funko. Or Freddy Funko as Dustin. This one's limit 1,600 pieces, yet again. From Stranger Things. Open. This one is Freddy Funko as Dustin from Stranger Things, blue metallic. And he's wearing his Hellfire Club t-shirt. Really like this one. Again, this one was limit to the con, so I don't think you could have bought that online or got that in the box. So this is the Freddy Funko as Dustin blue, limit 1,600 pieces, and that's the Pog. Alright guys, this is the second box I'm going to be opening. So here we have the Huckleberry Hound, limit 6,000 piece Funko soda. So these I bought and they're the commons. Blue Huckleberry Hound. So the chase for this one is a red Huckleberry Hound. And that chase is limit 1,000 piece. This is the common Huckleberry Hound, limit 5,000 pieces. Which is a really nice one. This one did also come out in 2020, so it's a 3-year-old pop soda. This is the third package. Alright guys, this is the third box I'm going to be opening. I'm pretty sure this is another Huckleberry Hound, so we'll find out. Okay, here we go. This is the Huckleberry Hound, the green one, from Emerald City Comic Con. This tape is very sticky. So, here we go. Huckleberry Hound 2020 Spring Convention sticker. So this is the shared sticker. Limit 3,500 pieces. And there is a chase variant. But this one I have is the common. So this is the green Huckleberry Hound. Green Huckleberry Hound. Let's put him here to the side. Here, no, let's put him on this side. So, this is a green Huckleberry Hound, 3,000 pieces. And this is what the pog looks like. Again, 2020. So, I do have the chase. I have the purple Huckleberry Hound 500 piece chase, which we will be showing on our Instagram. We're going to be showing our collection, the sodas, common and chases, and all sorts of stuff. So make sure to follow our Instagram, turn on post notifications. It should be in the link in description. So this is the final package we have today. Put this one open. There's tape. There's a pull tab, but it's tape. I don't remember what this one is because my brother Marcus ordered it. So let's take a look. Okay, so this is the Blacklight Huckleberry Hound, the 2022 Summer Convention. So it's the shared sticker. Limit 5,000 pieces. This is the Blacklight Huckleberry. And oh, I guess he ended up getting the chase. He bought the chase online to go with our Huckleberry collection. So this is how it looks. Pink. It actually pops a lot. We're going to be showing you the Blacklight actually in a couple of seconds. So this is the Pog. You found the Chase Huckleberry Hound in pink, limit 8,000 pieces. So for our Huckleberry collection, we just need the red Chase Huckleberry, which goes with the blue one. And yeah, so let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like underneath the Blacklight. So that's a glimpse of what it looks like. The pink, bright. Alright guys, well, that's the end of our video. And stay tuned for next week's video of our collection and another mail unboxing. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and follow us on Instagram. Bye-bye.